Welcome back to GRUDA Hair Vietnam Factory's YouTube channel. I'm Belinda. As you know, Christmas is just around the corner and you're probably contemplating choosing beauty outfits and the right hairstyle to confidently hit the street. And are you wondering whether to go for bossy curls or slick straight hair? Unsure about which supplier can meet your needs for quality, price, and durability? Don't worry, we are the solution for you. We currently have a special promotion for our dear customer with discount on all colors and styles. This promotion applies to hair length from 12 to 20 inches with us. You can comfortably choose vibrant colors or special style. Let's go through some of the hot trends for this Christmas season. With the suggestion I just gave, have you chosen the most suitable hair for yourself? And don't forget that when you purchase our product from us, you can receive attractive Christmas gift voucher up to $30 and many other supplies waiting for you. Hurry up for this Christmas! Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Goodbye!